everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find the YouTube application on your Roku device, and this is very simple to do. We can just scroll through this menu on the left until we get to search, and we can simply just type in YouTube and it should auto-populate right here, and we can download the application just through this menu. So we can just type in YouTube and we can go to the right and we can see the YouTube application right here and select it, and then we should be able to add it to our Roku device and open this up right here. And then in the future we can find it under our apps list, so we can see it's opening up. So let's go back to my home screen on my Roku device, and then we can go to the right and we can see it under apps right here. Otherwise, we can scroll on down until we get to where it says these different categories. We can try searching for it under here. Otherwise, we can go to add apps, and then we can go through this menu as well. So we can see like some of the recommended apps on top. We can scroll through here and we can try to find it under one of these categories. Otherwise, once again, we have the search option right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.